When I embarked on my blogging journey, the digital terrain was the blogosphere was less crowded, and SEO was a nascent for many of us. Each post demanded days of labor, researching, writing, and refining before it felt ready to face the world. In my early blogging days, this slow, painstaking process reflected the dedication we poured into our digital diaries. Imagine my astonishment as we stand on the precipice of a revolution, where ChatGPT for blog writing condenses weeks into minutes. This narrative isn't just about blogging tools evolving, it mirrors our growing adaptability and innovative strides in content creation. The early days of blogging. When I began blogging, the emphasis was more on the written word and personal expression. Blogs served as platforms for sharing stories, insights, and personal journeys. The concept of content marketing was in its infancy, and SEO was a term known mostly to web developers and digital marketers. Finding your audience was a challenge. Without the robust social media platforms we have today, bloggers relied heavily on RSS feeds, blog rolls, and the occasional feature on a more prominent site to gain visibility. Engagement came through comments directly on the blog, fostering a sense of community and connection that was tangible and rewarding. Monetization strategies were also less sophisticated. Banner ads, affiliate links, and sponsored posts existed, but the ecosystem wasn't as developed. Many bloggers wrote for the love of it, without the expectation of turning their blog into a full-time income. Reflecting on this era, it's clear how much blogging has evolved. What was once a personal pastime has transformed into a critical component of digital marketing strategies for individuals and businesses alike. The progression from simple text-heavy sites to dynamic, multimedia-rich platforms mirrors the broader technological advancements ChatGPT for blog writing. This transformation underscores not only the increased accessibility and democratization of online content creation, but also the heightened expectations of readers. The blogging journey, from its humble beginnings to its current state, is a testament to the rapid pace of digital innovation and the ever-changing landscape of online communication. The transformation of blogging tools. The landscape of blogging has undergone a seismic shift, particularly in the tools we use to craft our stories. In the early days, our toolkit was basic. HTML knowledge set you apart, and WordPress was just emerging. Fast forward to today, and we're leveraging AI to do the heavy lifting, transforming the blogging process entirely. ChatGPT for blog writing and similar AI-driven platforms are our new best friends, offering a shortcut in content creation. These tools not only write, they grasp context, optimize for SEO, and mimic our unique writing style's nuances. It's a stark contrast to the days when I'd agonize over every word, seeking the perfect content SEO balance. This shift towards AI-assisted is just convenient. It's a game changer, democratizing content creation and amplifying diverse voices. No longer is blogging reserved for those with endless hours to spare or deep technical expertise. Today, anyone with a story to tell can do so, beautifully and efficiently, thanks to these technological marvels. The ultimate article and SEO writing wizard. Spending a week on a single article felt excessive, especially in the age of AI. A quicker solution was needed. Thus, Milo, the ultimate article and SEO writing wizard, was born, aimed at enhancing ChatGPT blogging efficiency. It streamlines the blogging process from idea generation to keyword research. Milo ensures each ChatGPT blog post resonates with readers and aligns with SEO standards. It balances creative writing with SEO, allowing writers to focus on storytelling. The SEO heavy lifting is managed by AI. This approach frees creativity without sacrificing content visibility. Now, I always use Milo for blogging. It's essential in my workflow, optimizing each piece for readers and search engines. Milo has transformed my approach to ChatGPT blog posts, blending creativity with SEO complexity management. Michael, the essay writing angel, a closer look. Parallel to Milo's domain in the blogging sphere is Michael, the essay writing angel, a closer look. Parallel to Milo's domain in the blogging sphere is Michael, the essay writing angel, a tool of similar pedigree, but with a specialization in the art of essay writing. Where Milo transforms the blogging workflow, Michael revolutionizes the process of crafting detailed essays, whether they be academic, research-based, or creative narratives. Michael stands out by offering specialized support that encompasses the entirety of the essay writing process, from brainstorming and outlining to the final polish. Its emphasis on originality and creativity ensures that each essay is not just a collection of words, but a coherent, compelling piece that engages readers and fulfills the specific requirements of any given assignment or publication. Together, Milo and Michael represent the cutting edge of AI-assisted writing tools, each tailored to meet the unique needs of bloggers and writers across various disciplines. Their introduction signals not just a leap forward in how we create content, but also in how we conceive the very act of writing in the digital age. The impact on my blogging workflow. Integrating Milo and Michael into my blogging routine has been nothing short of transformative. Before, creating a single blog post could take up an entire week, filled with drafting, researching, and optimizing for SEO. Now these tasks are streamlined into a process that takes just minutes. Milo has especially revolutionized how I approach ChatGPT blogging, making keyword research and SEO optimization seamless and efficient. Meanwhile, Michael has enriched the depth and quality of longer-form content, such as detailed essays, without sacrificing speed. This synergy between creativity and technology has not only saved me countless hours, but also enhanced the overall quality of my work. Demonstrating success. The effectiveness of these AI tools is best illustrated through tangible results. For instance, after incorporating Milo into my workflow, one of my blog posts saw a 300% increase in traffic within a month, an unprecedented leap. Engagement metrics, such as comments and shares, similarly spiked, indicating that the content resonated more deeply with my audience. Another success story involves Michael, under whose guidance an academic essay I published received notable recognition and was cited by peers in the field. These instances underscore the profound impact these tools have had on my content's reach and reception. Invitation to explore further. I invite you to witness the capabilities of Milo and Michael firsthand. On my YouTube channel, you'll find comprehensive demos showcasing how each tool functions and the remarkable ease with which they can elevate your content creation process. Whether you're a seasoned blogger or new to the scene, there's something invaluable to be gained from integrating these AI tools into your workflow. Looking ahead, the future of AI in blogging promises even greater advancements, with potential for more intuitive content creation, deeper analytical insights, and further streamlined workflows. As AI continues to evolve, we can anticipate tools that not only understand our creative intentions, but also predict audience trends, offering suggestions to keep our content ahead of the curve. The integration of AI with emerging technologies opens up exciting possibilities for enhanced creativity and efficiency in blogging. Conclusion. The evolution of blogging from its text-heavy origins to today's dynamic, multimedia platforms illustrates the constant innovation within digital content creation. AI tools like Milo and Michael represent a significant leap forward, enabling bloggers to produce high-quality, SEO-optimized content with unprecedented efficiency. As we stand at this juncture of technological advancement, embracing AI in our blogging practices is not just beneficial, it's essential for growth and success in the digital age. Let's leverage these technologies to not only streamline our workflows, but also to enrich the content we share with the world.